Hello and welcome to The Perfect Match, our show of coordinating collections, and this is just a taster.
Yeah.
There are loads more.
While you watch, have a look at the catalogue and you'll see them in there as well.
Okay, we've got some very vibrant lace-up biker boots for you now. All, well, not all with matching bags, but it's very mix and match.
It's a mix and match.
Got
yeah,
the red
absolutely.
bag, the black bag.
And then we've got some bags that have got like little bits of scarf on them that would, say if you want the yellow, the mustard coloured, you can actually look in here and you can see things that will mix and match. So it's not necessarily that they can be exactly the same match on any of them, but you can work your way around all the accessories that we've got and all the bags that you will find something that would mix and match. But obviously you can buy them individually.
Yes.
You don't have to buy them as a co-ord. You can buy them individually. But we've got some really pretty bags for you. On display at the moment, we've got two satchel type, little small satchel type bags, which are really handy, and it's across the body, so it's like a messenger bag that you can wear really well. And then the boot itself is stunning, absolutely stunning. You've got a faux zip on the outside there. It's not made of patent, it's a patent look, so it's very easy to care for. Just wipe it clean, pings off any moisture that you may encounter as you're wearing them. Very high into the leg. A little tab on to help you putting them on and off, with a bit of sort of bias binding down the back. That's just really there for effectiveness and look. Big, strong sole unit, a bit like a tractor tyre really, very, very strong for wading through all sorts of different difficult circumstances when you're walking around. The inside edge is where you've got the full zip, the full length zip, and you've got the gorgeous fleecy linings. It's all a little bit black in there, isn't it? But trust me, you've got some beautiful fleecy linings going on. Adjust these to suit your foot, to your foot shape. Once you've done that, you can just pull the zip up to fit.
Great.
So if we have a look at Shelagh,
she is looking very
coordinating.
stylish. She is the lady in red. Well, albeit just a bag and boots. But
yes, but
it's
still
making an impact.
Yeah, it is, and it's not often you find a patent look bag. You know,
No.
So you've got your boots, which are fantastic. I mean, you would think these would be so heavy, they might need breaking in, but not at all. They're really comfy, and they're very striking, aren't they, in this red?
The pillar box red, they're
beautiful
gorgeous.
colour. And again, if you're wearing just plain black, but you've got this colour boot out, or the mustard.
It pings at you, doesn't it?
It does.
It really does. Yeah.
But I love the bag.
I love the bag. It's very compact. I love it, the safety of over the shoulder.
Yeah.
Is it quite roomy as well?
Well, you've got like little buttons, and then it opens out. I've actually got some stuffing inside, but it is quite, I mean, if I just look at the bottom there, there's quite a bit
nice
of
and
depth.
wide.
Yeah. And I think people are sort of going more towards like a smaller bag these days, but they still want room to get phones and lipstick and diary.
It is more trendy to have
and across the shoulder, it leaves your hands free.
Oh yes.
So a very safe bag.
Yeah.
You know, it's in front of you, safety for anybody going anywhere near it, but holding on to any of the rails, getting the tube, anything, it's perfect.
Yeah, perfect. We've got a wonderfully vibrant lace-up shoe for you here with a bag that matches, the pattern's not all over the bag, just picked out on
the top
front flap.
In fact, you've got four shoes there and two bags. You can mix and match whatever you want to, because that's the whole idea of this sort of coordinating. But we're talking about the shoe right now, which I've got the one which is probably the most demure, I think. No, actually, we've got a black one. Yeah, a black one as well. Haven't we at the front? Yes. This one is got.
I like that one,
Debs. It's really lovely patterns on it in silvers. Very muted though. It's got a silvery bronzy colour. That sounds a bit mixture. It might be sort of shouting at you a bit on the screen, I don't know. But it's very demure.
Really
it's really
subtle,
pretty.
actually.
Very subtle. Love the sparkly laces. Plenty of room inside it for you. Standard fit, but there's plenty of toe wiggle room in there. Great underfoot. Because a lot of ladies don't like boots, they like a shoe. So this is the shoe version of the boots we've been showing you. So you've got the four different colourways. We've got plain black, black floral, the one I'm holding, and they've got the two gorgeous ones at the front, the black and pink floral and the floral. So the black and pink floral is very much in the front, because you can see there's lots of pink on it and lots of blues and pretty shades. Then we've got the ones like a velvet finish with almost poppies, reds and golds and greens, really autumnal and beautiful. And then the bags can just coordinate if you want them to. You'll find them in your catalogue, it's great.
Let's take a look at Shelagh, because I want to know how comfy, first of all, the shoes are, because I really like those, Debbie.
Really comfortable. And isn't it nice that you can get a bag to match as well? But you can actually see all the comfort. I mean, generally speaking, you wouldn't be able to see my toes wiggle, would you?
You wouldn't.
So you've got all that flexibility as well. And again, they're not heavy, which is lovely, because often when it comes to winter, you think, oh gosh, you're going to take some breaking in, they're going to be really sturdy and heavy, but these aren't. But you know, the one with all the reds in it, you know, those beautiful big carpet bags. It looks like one of those, doesn't it?
Of course, made with an antimacassar.
I think it looks quite oriental as well in lots of ways. You know, it's
definitely.
like it's sort of an oriental look about it. Really, really pretty.
And the handbag, just a quick word on the handbag.
Well, it's just really nice. It's a lovely size. You've got a pocket at the front there, and then you've just got a little popper to close, and it's got some depth as well, and of course across the body.
Lovely. Right, we've got a pair of dazzling ankle boots for you now, and they've got matching dazzling handbags.
They have. I mean, you'll find in our catalogue, which I've actually got here on my knee, this section which is a perfect match, and it's mixing and matching our products, which is really clever and very nice. First time we've really done it, and I think it works for you. So what we've got here is 2 mix and match. You don't have to buy both products. You can handbag or shoe or boots, whichever, but the 2 together really is very, very stylish. Coordinating 2 looks that look brilliant. So the more demure of the 2 is the black floral, which has got a lovely sort of, it's quite a vague sort of silvery, bronzy embellishment within it. You can see it at the front of the screen there, on a really nice sturdy heel, big blocky heel. It's a very smart boot. The zip is on the inside of the leg, like we do with our boots. Lots of room on the inside of the boot for you to move around, and the bag has little pockets inside it for things that you need to keep around. Now this one, on the other hand, Bobby Dazzler, as my mum would have called it, is sumptuous. It's beautiful. It's very tactile, very touchy-feely. It's got a lovely sort of suede feel to it, with these amazing, incredible, almost look like embroidered flowers all over it.
Look at the red.
I know, it's just
so
stunning,
gorgeous.
isn't it? And the bag matches it. So that's what we mean about the mix and match. I've even gone down detail to the heel with the colours.
Amazing.
Now let's go across to Julie. I nearly called you Julie then, darling. Let's go across to Sheila and see her wearing the slightly more demure
the
one.
more modest version, isn't it?
Yeah, but both of them fantastic. I've never seen anything like them before. Really useful little bag as well, because it's a nice size. They've gone down in size a little bit.
Bags
I still often carry a bigger bag, but it's got good depth there. There's a little zip pocket at the front, and then obviously a zip pocket at the top, so it's nice and safe and across the body, but matches the boots beautifully.
Looks gorgeously coordinated with what you're wearing, actually.
Great look,
really
isn't it?
nice.
Really,
I mean,
really
I love
nice.
both colours. It's really hard to choose, but if you wanted to go a little bit wilder, I'd go for the other one, but I think this one just looks so lovely, doesn't it?
And it's very wearable. What's clever is it's not too exotic for daytime, but it's just perfect for night as well. So
Absolutely.
It's really versatile. Sheila, you are sporting a wonderfully exotic pair of boots and a matching handbag.
Yeah, they're terrific, aren't they? I just think if you want to wear, if you're a lady that wears sort of basic colours, jazz your life up with a little bit on your feet and on your handbag, and it works wonders for the way you feel, because you'll feel happy.
Yeah.
They're happy boots and a happy handbag. This is the longer version. We do a brogue version of this, then we do a boot version. You see how high up it goes up Sheila's leg.
Yeah, I do, and you could tuck your
if you're wearing tights,
leggings in, or tights.
or opaque tights.
Yeah.
You could wear a boot cut fit if you want, or you can wear, very versatile in the shaping. Base of it, the sole unit is very, very sturdy, very strong, and very anti-slip, very grippy. And then the zipper, as I've said before, goes on the inside of the foot, but the actual area that your toes are in, there's lots of toe wiggle room, because it's nice and broad for you, even though we say it's a standard fit.
Great.
The little handbag matches so well across the body as well.
Yeah, it looks perfect. It's not too much, because when you look at them on your own, you think, gosh, they're bright.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of ladies love exotic and bright.
Yeah, they do.
But if you go for a more modest feel, but actually when you see it on Sheila's body, especially if you'd team it with quite plain colours or all black, would look great.
Yeah, it does
It really
work.
works.
It's lovely, isn't it? Really nice combination. Something that you don't see everywhere, definitely.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But just something that's very, very different, but practical as well.
We've got some very extravagant, exuberant Chelsea boots for you now, and they come with a matching bag.
Absolutely. Well, remember Chelsea boots some years ago, I'm sure we all do, or more or less all of us. And they were slender, they were very dressy, they were very smart. Now, what we've got a take on a Chelsea boot. It's not exactly a Chelsea boot. It's on a bigger unit. It's on a unit that is going to take in all the weather that anything can throw at you through the winter. That's your Chelsea boot statement here, the elastication that goes along here. But unlike the old-fashioned Chelsea boots that had the panel at both sides, this has a zip on the inside edge. So your zip is here to open up to reveal the inside of gorgeous, gorgeous fleecy linings, lots of room in there, and this beautiful, almost sort of tapestry print on the boot itself. It's absolutely beautiful, and like Julie just said, it has a matching handbag. Now, you don't have to buy the Co-Ords, you don't have to buy both. You can buy one or the other, or you can buy both. But it's nice to think that you've got something that truly matches up. The other set, again, the Chelsea boot in the black floral. It's got a lovely softness to it, that one, in the colourways, and the bag is a little bit more demure also. Let's just pan across and have a look at Shelagh wearing these across the body bag and the boots. What do you think?
Works so well together, doesn't it? But I think the boots, fantastic. I mean, I love, it's just really soft. It's sort of, you were saying bronzes and pewters and things on that upper. But again, once they're on the foot, they don't look extremely chunky, do
they?
they?
No, they
They look
don't.
really,
It looks very
really
neat.
good.
Yeah, they do. Very dainty.
Yeah, definitely. And again, that fantastic grip. And because you've got that side panel of elastication, when you move your foot, you've got that extra room,
Of course
that
you have.
movability.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Oh la la, we've got a very smart combo for you now. In fact, they're called Pavers Smart Patent Loafers, and they've got a matching bag.
Absolutely.
Or matching
As
bags.
we said before, we're doing like the perfect match for you, but you don't have to buy both, but we're showing you that it works if you go with both. I mean, what we've got here is the bag here matches the black loafer, which is there, that side, and this bag here matches the more colourful loafer, which is at that side. The colourful loafer has the colours of this lovely scarf interwoven into it.
Very designer, Debbie.
Very designer-esque, extremely. Really smart little handbag. 2 zips on the top that open up, and you'll see that in a second when we pan across to Shelagh. But the loafer is dreamy. It's absolutely gorgeous. Got tons of room in it. Very, very squidgy. It says it's standard. It is, but there is room in it as a standard. It's got anti-slip base, a nice little block heel, lovely shaping, and the tassels on the top. I love it. So, without further ado, across to you.
Well, you know I like a loafer. Yes,
Classic,
we
your
do.
classic
Yes,
Shelagh.
classic loafers.
Classic styling.
But I haven't got a patent one. No.
No.
No. And you know, the price on this one is great as well. But Debbie's so right. This is a standard fitting. I am standard. But yes, plenty of room in there. But don't they look smart?
It does.
Lovely.
It looks incredibly expensive. And it also, I have to say, looks very supple. It looks comfortable.
It is. There's no breaking in or anything. There's no rough edges. It's really soft, but you've still got that sort of sturdiness, not like a ballet slipper.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, sometimes you think...
You've got
well,
structure, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, for autumn, winter, it's going to be fabulous. And to
Lovely.
have a bag that goes with it as well.
Oh, très chic. Hope you've enjoyed all our coordinating collections. We are really excited about them.
Absolutely. Remember, have a look at this. When you've had a mull over, ring us or use your